Food lovers, let me show you how I make this kidney sauce in little time with minimal effort. So first and first, you're gonna parboil your kidney to remove all that scum, all that blood and all that. Let it cook for like 10 minutes in water and just remove that from heat. Discard the water and wash your kidney, right? You need to do these steps. It is very, very important. So next, you're going to add some vegetable oil and that kidney back into your pot. Add in some ginger garlic paste, just stir fry that for a bit. And then you're going to go in with some onions. Yeah, whenever you're dealing with protein, you need to cook with onions. Season that with some seasoning and salt and stir a bit. So now you're gonna fry this for like 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and then go in with your pepper mix. This is just chili pepper that is crushed, and then you're gonna go in with water, enough water that will cook your kidney till it's perfectly cooked. Now season with all the spices you want and add in some light soy sauce and oyster sauce. After that, let it cook until the water has reduced and go in with your veggies. I use some bell pepper, more onions and carrots, then a little bit of spring onions. Now to thicken up my sauce, I added a mixture of flour and water. I didn't have corn flour, so I used flour and it worked perfectly. Now give everything a good stir. Cover your pot again and allow it to cook for a few minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes, and your kidney sauce is ready, guys. This was by far one of the best sauce that I've made in a while, and I know you will definitely love this. So serve this with anything you want: white rice, pasta, couscous, yam, whatever you feel like pairing this with, and thank me later. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and also follow me on my Instagram at Chef Amos. Okay, bye.